Hello and welcome to another episode of the SUBZERO S550 project. I'm so excited because we're finally gonna do something performance-wise. Well, okay, a little bit, but it's gonna be a brand new catback exhaust system. On the axle back setups on these cars, you have to actually cut in order to replace the mufflers if you just wanted to do a muffler setup. But this is so much easier because it's a full replacement. You just replace the clamps and all that good stuff, and then you put the new system in. So I'm gonna grab the new system, so let's take a look at it. First, we're going from a Y pipe to an X pipe. This basically replaces that center resonator muffler thingamajigger they got underneath. So this is first exhaust hanger. Here's the other one. I will say the quality of this exhaust is pretty next level. Like if you look at the welds and everything right here, everything's really high quality, and the muffler itself looks really nice. And it's dual exhaust tip, so you don't have some goofy giant exhaust coming out of the diffuser. You know what's really nice when you work on a project car, and sometimes working by yourself is really nice because it's kind of therapeutic, but today I have a whole bunch of people. Santiago, James, Nick, and TJ's picking up a broom. So let's gonna. Also, I'm gonna do a stock exhaust clip. Let's do that before we do this. So here you are, here's the X pipe. Here are the two mufflers. And then this goes up to the catalytic converter pipe, and then you're pretty much done. It's just clamp, 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 exhaust hangers, which is everybody's favorite part. Here we go. Eventually I'll get under here.
Use your creeper, man.
My back's my creeper. One. Oh, there it goes. Right. All right, guys, so essentially you do the clamps that go to the catalytic converters, then you do basically the exhaust hangers, and that's what we're doing right now as I look at you with this double chin. But it's much easier to just take the hangers off rather than struggling with the rubber hangers to get it out. That way, when it's off the car, you can just pull the rubber right off. So that's what we're gonna do. If my ratchet was longer, that'd be nice.
Yeah, wouldn't it
But
be?
it's not. CJ, you asleep? CJ is literally asleep.
Jeez, no way.
No, listen. He falls asleep everywhere. Sorry we're boring you, CJ. You fell asleep, dog, on a garage floor. How do you do that? I can't even fall asleep on an airplane.
I knew I was gonna get shit for that.
No, it's all good, dude. No, you know what the best is when somebody falls asleep on the mic on Xbox.
Hey, that's me.
That's the funniest thing in the world.
It's usually me.
Back on like Halo 2, this video went viral. And it was like, on matchmaking, like not a custom game. They were playing a ranked match and they were snoring.
He was the best player.
Yeah.
He was gonna make the difference.
And he's like sleepwalking in Halo. I think one of my favorite quotes from somebody who didn't grow up in our generation was that kids today could not survive Modern Warfare 2 lobbies. No way. They would cry. I got bullied in high school, but man, did Modern Warfare make me emotionally tough. Woo! All right. Oh, yep.
Hey. Okay.
All right, let's drag it out.
Ow.
I have a bolt under my back. It hurts.
I'm sure it does.
It's heavy.
It's got a little girth to it.
All right, taking all the rubber hangers off the factory exhaust. This is what it looks like when it's off the car. Very straightforward. Look how big this muffler is. Absolutely ridiculous. So X pipe versus the factory muffler. So we got a lot going on. There once was a man named Santi. I think what's even funnier is that you were unsuccessful in that prank.
Like, it looked good until the very end.
Yeah.
Until you couldn't slide.
Yeah. Let's take those, put the rubber guys on the hangers, and then we're just gonna literally
these
bolt on
ones
the hangers.
go-
Who you calling Pinhead? Okay, so this can be a little confusing, but when you do a catback on the S550, the side that has the bigger kink in it up top, that's gonna be on the passenger side. So it's better to do the X-pipe first. All right. Yeah, we gotta rotate it a little bit to adjust for the exhaust hanger.
Rotate down. Yeah, just like that.
Where's the thing?
So we got the exhaust tips all lined up. The hangers you should definitely adjust after a while. If you don't, it's gonna hit the factory diffuser. This side was a little more tough, right CJ?
I don't know, I was sleeping.
Yeah, you were. Anyway, it will touch, because this side is a little bit shorter than the other, and so you just have to adjust accordingly, and then you can clear the diffuser. All right, all installed. So I found something out. When you're in neutral, it doesn't let you go past 5,000 RPM in this car. As a safety measure, I'm assuming. But honestly, sounds good, sounds healthy, not too raspy. Sounds pretty old school American muscle in my opinion. And now let's go do some accelerations to see what it really sounds like up top. I'm excited, especially with this 10 speed. It's gonna be nuts. On that note, I could not be happier with the fit and finish of the MagnaFlow exhaust. They did an amazing job. Shout out to MagnaFlow for helping me out with this incredible quad tip exhaust. It is basically the factory exhaust, just on that next level with the X-pipe replacement. And you can pass emissions, you have to worry about check engine lights, it's behind the O2 sensors. So that's really important if you're in a really strict state, and I think they did an amazing job without it sounding absolutely mind-blowingly loud. So on that note, thank you all so much for watching this video. I want to thank everybody who supports me at PattersonCarCare.com. If you don't know what PattersonCarCare.com is, it is the most affordable way to get premium detail product for the masses. It's super easy to use, and if you haven't tried it, make sure to check out our wheel cleaner. It'll change your life washing your car. And on that note, I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and I will see you guys next time. See ya!